I wept in Toy Story 3. It was on the brink in Monsters Inc. and casted the same thing to me, but watching Wall-E, I wasn't worried about your reference to Woolies was bigger, because I'm thinking an emotion was an emotional treatment. You may snigger. See, these guns, they're not the manliest. But I figured I'm the best way to measure manliness, because real men have issues. Real men cry when they make man-sized tissues.